Hey everybody, let's learn how to fold our zines. Okay, so we have our piece of paper with the zine that we want to do. And you don't have to, if you're doing your own zine, you don't have to have some stuff pre-printed, but I just do for this one. And so here's how we're going to fold it. All right, so I want the printed stuff to be what we see. So I'm going to fold it first this way, which I believe some people call hot dog style, but I think that also is copywritten. So I'm going to fold that. I'm going to do this. Fold. Okay. Folded this way. I'm going to make my folds nice and crisp. I love how the camera gives me jowls. It's good. I don't have jowls. All right. Here we go. Excellent. Now, I'm going to fold it in half, like so. So we are making, basically, we're going to be making 8 pages, usable pages. Excellent. And now I've got it folded in half. I'm going to fold each of these in. Okay, so that one's going to go in. So that's been folded in like so. So let's review so far. I took piece of paper, folded it in half this way. Nope, did that wrong. I folded it in half this way. There we go. Okay, so I've got this. And then I folded that in half. And then I'm going to take both of those and fold those flaps in half, okay? There's my dog. He's very excited about zines. Excellent. And when you have this, go ahead and fold them over on the other sides too, so that we end up with very nice, crisp, delicious folds. Excellent. So I'm going to fold this, whoop, like that. I'm going to fold this one over, make sure I can fold both ways. I'll fold this one over, make sure I can fold both ways. All right. Now, if you were just to stop here, your book would not work, because you know, if you have a book like this and, oh no, we've lost a page because there's a page inside. So we're going to make it, instead of a 3-page book, a 6-page or 8-page book. And so now unfold it all the way. Okay. And now fold it so if we were folding it hot dog before, now we're going to fold it hamburger, which is this way. Okay. So we're folding it like so. Okay. And now we end up, so we have 4 on one side, 4 on the other side. We're going to cut on the side that's folded. So here's my unfolded side. Here's the side that has the fold. There we go. This side. Okay. This is the folded side. I'm going to cut in just 1 page on the folded side. Okay. So now we have like a flap. If you were to hold it this way, it'd be like a little mouth. Okay, excellent. So we have a hole there, okay? So now when I fold it down over again, if I fold it the other way, I'm going to push in. So you see how now that flap is on the inside, the hole is on the inside. I'm going to push in. And then, oh, my cat's throwing up. Good, it's on camera. I'm going to then fold down everything so it's nice and smooth and beautiful. And if you did everything right, you have lower, or if you're doing this zine, you have this on the front. And then you have 4 beautiful double-sided pages. Oh, if you want, you can glue down, because if you're like me, it bothers me that this flaps up and there's nothing on the inside. So you can glue that down or tape it down, whatever you like. So you have that nice little book of your notes. Isn't it beautiful? Should we do this for every unit? I think so. Okay, bye.